Hello, my name is Guillaume and I'm speaking from the United Nations University Institute for Water, Environment and Health, and this is the introduction of the SDG PSS. Now that you know how to register and log in, I am going to introduce you to the SDG PSS. The SDG PSS is an online and free system. This system is designed as a collaboration tool that can be used by water professionals and policymakers either working on national teams or independently. The SDG PSS is designed to be user-friendly, and this e-course aims to help you understand how the system works and how to get the best results from it. So this is the home page. You can see that we have three buttons. The first one is Introduction, then we have Components, and then we have Summary View. In this module, I'm going to show you the introduction of the SDG PSS. So, click on the button Introduction. The button leads to the introduction of the SDG PSS. We recommend you to read this section. From 2016 to 2018, the United Nations University Institute for Water, Environment and Health, in partnership with national partners from Republic of Korea, Ghana, Tunisia, Pakistan and Costa Rica, investigated options to support policy and decision-making under situations where data was missing on water and sanitation. The key product developed in this project is the SDG 6 Policy Support System, the SDG PSS. The SDG PSS is an answer to the challenge of bringing data and information from multiple international and national tools and translating them into a fit-for-policy evidence framework. Having one agreed fit-for-policy evidence base will allow a more comprehensive and integrated policy and more effective and informed decision-making around water-related SDGs. In this page, you can find a list of all the partners that helped to build the SDG PSS. You can also download the user guide by clicking on this link. Then we click on the button Next. The SDG PSS is designed to enable government actors and stakeholders to collaborate and create national-level evidence around SDG 6. In the language of the 2030 Agenda, strengthening and realigning enabling environments to drive successful implementation of SDGs will become a critical step for many countries. However, evidence and data for policymakers and development actors to make this happen may still be missing, overlapping, or even fragmented as the urgency for actions is set to grow in the first years of the SDG era. For this reason, the SDG PSS builds upon several years of work around water and sanitation issues and draws on more than 20 well-established tools, frameworks, and resources that are commonly used for water-related policymaking at the national and international levels. There are 6 critical components of SDG PSS designed around an evidence framework. Each critical component presents a perspective of related priorities, needs and gaps to assist policymakers on decision-making. So we have capacity, we have finance, policy and institutional, gender, disaster risk reduction and resilience, and integrity. Then we click on the button Next. Each one of the components is made up of 4 elements. We have resources, questionnaire, data, and reporting. You can click on the buttons to get a full description of each element. In the following modules, we are going to explain each one of these elements. This is very important, so please take some time in this section. Then we click on the button Next. Finally, we get to the description of the summary view. The summary view is the highest level overview of all components of SDG PSS, where data and information provided into different components becomes usable evidence. In the summary view, the data sets are synthesized and analyzed to present key evidence that best presents the progress against each SDG 6 target and indicator at national level. The summary view will be presented in the following modules. This ends the introduction of the SDG PSS. You can always use the user guide to learn more about the SDG PSS, or you can join the discussion forum on the website. Please share your questions and comments.